Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are at a place, I forgot the name of, Swallow Aquatics. That's the one. My friend is absolutely wetting herself because she knew I was going to forget the name. And we've done a tour. This place is like Mahusif. It's about 20 miles outside of where I live. And it is Mahusif. You've got non-stop animals. Like the footage you're about to see doesn't cover half, not even half. I say a quarter of it, a quarter of the place. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. If you have, like, favorite, subscribe, leave a comment, and well, like I said, hope you enjoy. Right, here we have some caimans. Doesn't look real, but he's very real. And his counterpart.
That was not moved at all.
Terrapins. And then we got this one. So caimans. And the sheer scale of the goldfish is absolutely insane. And this is just one rack. This isn't even all of it. We're at Swallow Aquatics. Now I showed you all this. Terrapins down there. Caimans. You know, let's have a pet caiman. Why not, you know? Now we're going to come through here. We're going to go round. And we're into the, like, outskirts of the, and here we have... They're goldfish. And these are common carp. Yeah, these are common carp. Joined with goldfish. You've got a golden black tench. Yeah, it's a tench right there. No. You can eat carp though. Not that you'd ever want to eat one of these gorgeous creatures. Right, now we're going to come over here into, these are yellow comets and large blue orbs. We're at a fish farm. This is absolutely insane. And moving on, we've got, red comets now. Wait, yellow comets? Where's the yellow? I see one yellow. And in here we've got the reds. These look more yellow, don't they? Yeah. Right, I'm going to move across. Now we've got, these should be yellow comets. Yeah, these are yellow comets. The black in them is, they're still baby colours, and then they fade out. More yellow comets, but these are all babies. All the black ones still haven't got matured into the yellow or the red, which is funny because the black ones, if you look, are still bigger than the red ones. But these are all going to become into yellow comets, which like get a nice goldy colour back there. Now here we have Saracen comets. How do you spell it? Saracen comets, which is basically like a koi type thing, but that is basically a goldfish. Silver rods and red comets, or shabunkins, by the looks of things. Yep. And here we go, albinos. My love and joy. And they're so cheap as well. This is crazy. And this is not only, there's so much here. These are, I do believe, shabunkins. These are shabunkins, yeah. And there should be golden rod in there as well. And here, we have the common carp. We've got rudd, common carp, yellow big comets. That's what the colour they should be. And there's a couple of commons in there, like the ones back in there. These are large oxalotes. The quality of these fish is amazing. Fantails. And these are the baby axolotls. Small Neuroshabonkins. Right, golden Ogon koi, and if I zoom in, you will see some sturgeons. Absolutely magnificent. You've got selected coins in here. They're about a foot long. And if we move along, we've got your selection coins, which you've got some ghost koi in here. You've got Shabunka, multicolour, you've got grass types, ghost. Oh, there's a tote that's actually only got a couple of them. I think that was sold out. This one again, these are the smaller ones. You've got some ghost, silverbacks, goldbacks, standard Shabunkins, again normal ones. And here, selected koi. Some of these are absolutely magnificent. Look at that. These are Ghost Mix Platinums. Don't think there's much in this one. By the big ones down here, I think. There we go. Big golden koi. Now on here, we have the butterflies. Long lays. Look at that. Absolutely. Oh wow, redfin. And in there you got some black commons. I think they're rubs. Right, over in here, we're going to move on now. Here, I do believe these are silver tip rubs. Oh, these totes look like they're empty. That one's empty. We've got some more ghost long fins. There you go, that's a better overview. Ghost tip long fin. Absolutely magnificent creatures. Ghost Shabunkins, orange fades and golds, all koi. And here's one of my favourite. Look at these baby sturgeon. These are silver tips and silver fades, like that one there. These are diamondbacks. Actually, if I can just get in a bit, you'll be able to see. I can get right up close. Sorry about the glare. Diamondback sturgeons, absolutely magnificent. Not as hardy as the normal sturgeons. And here we have a selection of, I think, a standard goldfish here. Yeah, standard golds. Alright guys, that has been the goldfish outer part. Let's move on. Right, we got some fly river turtles, silverbacks. We got one of the biggest. I do believe it's just I think it's a royal pleco. Mr. Turtle here wants to be in the way. Hang on. So there he is. He's down there amongst the silver rounds. Look how beautiful that royal pleco is. Is that king pleco or royal pleco? This is a fly river turtle. He's very personable. Absolute stunning creature. Red belly piranhas. In I do believe it's a 7,500 gallon aquarium. As you can see, magnificent fish. Very I would say it's uninformation. There's plenty of information on it, but it's probably the wrong information on red belly piranhas. As you can see, absolutely amazing. Just to give you guys a view of what is going on. Lemon fin barbs with a spanner barb and I do believe longfin catfish. Got some giraffe catfish down here, and I mean, I do believe these are they marquees? Yeah, marquee standard barbs. Then you've got silver sharks, spoons and domes. And down here, more silvers, and these are baby hyping Pengusi catfish, I believe. They are phenomenal. Red tail sharks. Now we come up to here, we're going to get the golden southfin mollies. Absolutely loads of them. So in this one we've got kissing gourami, striped glass catfish and saffron mollies, which is these nice orange ones. It's also got a very nice diamondback in there, but down there, ooh, those plates. Some Guppies. These ones are the golden chubbies. It's a golden chubby plaque there, and its offspring, the big one at the back's very beautiful. Corridors, and I think they're Variatus platters? Yeah. Vampire plaque, if I can find it. It's down there somewhere. I think it's down there, I'm trying to find it. There's a vampire plaque in there. I think it's under there. And of course you've got your spotted plays. More spotted penguins. Southfin mollies. You've got red tail blacks, black red tails. Guppies up there. Sorry about the noise, lots of heaters in the water ventilation going on. Air filtration, swordtails. Golden swordtails now. Now if you look at the back, it doesn't look so gold, but I can see it. There you go, that's a female gold, but that male in the back is magnificent. And of course down here we're going to have our sunset plays and albino corridors, which I am going to have to get a couple more of. Then we've got wandering snails, and again I do believe these are the Variatus? No. Mickey Mouse, yeah, Mickey Mouse. Standard plays along with your blood red light tail plays, and of course more cories than you can shake a stick at. Same the next tack across. Now if we come up, we're going to have more cories, pineapple, west tail, swordtails, and there should be a vampire plaque in here as well, but I think they're sold out as well. No, there we go, it's in there. And at the back. Now this magnificent is assorted mollies. These are, I think, they're blood reds. So it says here, blood reds. At the top you've got your swordtails, golden art mollies. And here we've got the ancestris and pepper. These are peppered cories. Again, this one here, we've got an assortment of plecos. This is the Sarbaji Para pleco. You've got black rubo bards, and you've got black neon tetras, and I think there's a comfrey in there somewhere. And if we move up into the live berries and the guppies, these are female guppies, which we've got. These, I do believe these are red-tailed deltas. There's a male in there with some ancestris. These are snakeskin guppies, which look magnificent. Up here we've got a full-hind sword angelfish. More danios and platies, snakeskin guppies, and this is what is magnificent. These are called tiger endlers. They're probably one of the biggest strains of endlers. Just magnificent. Up here we have a mixture of sunset, various, and mollies. If we come across, we've got the Comet, it says Comet bumbletails, but that's not a bumbletail. They are power red tail sorts. We've got, oh, pingus. There's a couple of pingu guppies in there, which are magnificent. And I do believe yellow fan guppies. Now if we come down, we're going to come down to the Emerald Barbara Tetras. We've got Ognochris algaes, and of course that some of the Endler have jumped over. Now look at that for a mass colour of Endlers. Now in here, these are the, I think, yeah, you've got, I think these are golden nugget placos, yeah. These big boys down here, golden nugget. I'm going to turn it up like that so we can get a better view of them. Absolutely magnificent. And the Endler guppies, as you can see, these are the ones I like. They've got their sword definition on the tail, nice dorsal fins, nice pectoral fins, absolutely magnificent. White Cloud Mountain minnows, loads in there. We've also got some of the bigger plex. Don't know the name of them, so we're not even halfway through, by the way. In here we have panda garcias. We have red, no we don't, we have black tetras, spot head standards, We've got, I do believe that's a southern pleco at the back in that tank, as well as rainbows, more rainbows, gouramis. These are you've got algae is in there, as well as tetras. You've got Bombay barbs, and I do believe purple harlequins. Yep. In here, more of the same, more of the same. Up the top here we got assisted mollies. These are the lovely ones. And in here you've also got the L260 Queen Arispskew plecos, which are fantastic. They've got more definition in the stripes. Really magnificent pleco. Now down here we've got the featherfin Cinco catfish, which are these ones going up and down. Up the top we've got 3 spot gouramis. We come down, we've got red fan sharks, as well as red tail tetras. In here we're going to have the black phantom tetras. They're red tail phantoms, by the way, sorry. More gouramis at the top. If we come down here now, we're going to see the Congo tetra. We've got Boschii cabotai, which is these little guys right here. And I do believe we've got a silver tip tetra in there as well. Neon tetras sharks. Now here we go. Candy stripe plecos, which are these ones. That's the name that we were talking about, the ones prior to us. They're down here. Not there. Absolutely magnificent. Golden gouramis. We've got torpedo barbs. Tree chat, more gouramis. Same in here, along with harlequins. We come down at red tail fin sharks with more. Then we've got leopard danios, large gouramis. Up the top we've got sunset danios with angelfish and silver angelfish. Danios. That's a lot of danios. We've got red tail sharks with orange barbs. Red tail black sharks, red fin sharks with the I think the Serpae tetras. Yeah, Serpae tetras. Keyhole cichlids and clown loaches, and we've got yellow black tetras, checkered barbs with more bars and moss balls and god knows what else. We've got white widow tetras, common pleco in there. In here we've got Neelam Cocklogus brigade, yes, electric catfish as well, which are, I do believe, disappeared somewhere, can't say it. Up top we've got red rainbows, silver angelfish, golden congos with baby bando lebrinos. Here we have Buenos Aires tetras, Buenos Aires. Then you've got the yo-yo loaches in there, electric catfish, ancestral plecos, and there should be a little Oscar in there, but I think that's been sold. Sorry about the camera work, guys. You've got snakeskin barbs in here. You've got African Rio eyes, African sharkins in the top one. Tiger barbs. Then we've got clown loaches here. And in here you've got Egyptian mouth brooder. I'm trying to find, there it is. Just hit there, mouth brooder, keeps darting behind the thing. In here we've got Geophancus jumpake, Pellinis and clown loach. I think I'm pronouncing these massively wrong, but forgive me. Golden barbs and melon barbs. The colour is amazing. Like, look at that. Up the top you've got your tiger barbs. More of the tiger barbs. Oh, filament barbs. More filaments down here. Copper barbs as well. Tinfoil barbs, red tail barbs. Albino Buenos Aires tetras. And you've got your cherry barbs. Now this is what I'm liking. Blue spotted mackerel barbs in here. And you've got some catfish in here that I don't know the name of. I think they're... oh, Pangasis. Then you've got Lampros calvus. And then we've got plenty of cichlids that I can't pronounce, but I'm just going to pan up and show you guys just how many cichlids are along this road. Absolutely dozens. We've got basically Tanganyika, Lake Tanganyika, or whatever it is, cichlids. Show you some of the colour in here. And now, red snakeheads. Not very happy. We've got fajita puffers, silver arowana and wolffish. The arowanas up there are lovely. They get to about the size of the tank. Right, carrying on with the tour, we have got into the sea life section, or what I call saltwater section. We've got some magnificent crustaceans and corals in here. Some amazing, I couldn't tell you the names of these fish. I mean, you've got like large green stars and stuff like that. These tanks are like ginormous. And up here, catfish. Some of my favourite stuff is this catfish, I'll tell you. In here, it's like going into another world. All the corals, all the fish, clowns, gobies, you name it. And here we go. Puffers, clowns, gobies. This is a scorpion mudtail. Down here we've got land hermit crabs. Dragon gobies, discus, you know, the usual. Discus, here's the discus. Up here we've got painted wood turtles, African hermit turtles, and white-lipped turtles. That's why you see all the stations.
They're tiny.
And water changes. You've got the baby and giant cogwheels right here. You've also got a red-bellied and big-sided turtles in there. And in here we've got baby river cote turtles. Look at them. Up here we've got African side necks with a long tail, so you can see the long tail there. Down here, more sliders. And if we come down here, all the way down, we've got some more fish, cories, catfish, and we've got an albino, Spanish rhythm albino in the corner. Right guys, hope you've enjoyed the video. Remember to like, favourite, subscribe and all that good stuff.